Hi, I'm called Namara Shaila from Fundi. I'm a CNC operator, and today I'm going to take you through the process of making a fun game. And in this case, we're going to make a maze puzzle. A maze puzzle is a game with twists and turns where you can try to find a path from the starting point to the ending point. How we came up with the idea is to make something fun for the kids to play with. So we're not going to make something that is very complex. The first thing is we had to start by designing the maze puzzle. We used SolidWorks to design the puzzle, which is so good at 3D designing. After designing in SolidWorks, we're going to transfer the work to Aspire, which is good at making vector lines. In this, we're going to come up with toolpaths that will help us to cut work on the CNC router machine, because without the toolpaths, there's no way we can cut the work. We're going to start by setting toolpaths for the acrylic perspex. Then after, we can set the ones for the plywood. After developing our toolpath for the acrylic perspex, we're going to cut it on the router machine, and after that we're also going to cut the plywood. These two parts are set differently because there are different types of bits that are going to be used to cut the work, and also considering that we are having two different materials that we're going to cut. This is a CNC router machine that we're going to use to cut our work, and this is the acrylic perspex that we're going to cut. This acrylic perspex is going to be covering our maze puzzle. And then the plywood is the one that we're going to use to cut the maze itself. So in this, we started by cutting the acrylic perspex, which would later fix on the plywood. After cutting our acrylic, we are now going to cut our plywood. We're going to start by engraving the plywood to create a pocket where the maze is going to be put. After engraving, we are going to change the bit and put a different one that is going to enable us to do the engraving of the puzzle. Engraving is making a pocket in the material but not going through, because when we're going through, that means we're going to be cutting off the work. So for now, we're going to first create pockets where the maze is going to be put. After engraving, we need to indicate where the person is going to start from and where the person is going to end from the game. So that's why I had to put the starting point and the ending point on our puzzle. Then after that, we're going to cut off. So we have to change a bit and then cut off our work. After cutting the maze puzzle from the router, we are going to clean it. After cleaning it, we are going to apply some paint, which we are going to only put on the top. We're going to let it dry using a blowing machine so that it can dry very fast, and then after drying, we are going to put our ball bearing. After putting the ball bearing, we are going to fix the acrylic perspex onto the maze puzzle with screws. I'm glad that our maze puzzle has come out so good. It's perfectly cut, and this is the same process that we used to do or make ESC tools here at Fundi, the tools that are used in schools. I'm glad that you joined me in making this, and I wish you good luck as you find the starting point and then you make it to the ending point. Hopefully you enjoy the game and love it. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.